How to save post in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to save post on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to save post, simply go to the Reels section right here at the bottom. Tap on it. Now simply to save post, locate the post that you want to save. Now here you can find the post of the save button. Just right here, select it. Now you can see you have saved. Now simply choose one collection that you want to save to, just like this. And now you can see the post has been saved to that collection. And that's it. This is how you can save post in Edits and Instagram app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.